Hey, my name's Jonny Bradley, and over the next few months, I'm going to be hand-holding a Seller Pro Academy student through the entire process of setting up and launching their own Amazon FBA business.
When I realised they weren't going to work, I was ready to give up. In fact, I had given up.
Hold up, before we actually get into this, let me first explain what Amazon FBA is.
My name's Mario and I'm a member of the Seller Pro Academy.
There's so much that could go wrong.
First set of samples, I was really excited initially. Got really disheartened when I realised it wasn't the right product to sell. And to hear Jonny tell me it wasn't good enough and it wasn't going to work.
To be honest with you, it's a bit rubbish, and he needs to come to that realisation. I can't tell him, unfortunately. Welcome to the One Product Challenge.
The conversations we had yesterday made me realise that what I was looking at was just the same as what everyone else was doing.